In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices in Zoho Invoice. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, accurate invoice, save it, and take the right actions to send, download, record payments, filter your list, and remove invoices you no longer need. First, open the Zoho Invoice homepage and sign into your account. From the left side menu, head straight to the Invoices section. This is your hub for everything billing related, creating new invoices, tracking statuses, and taking quick actions. To create a new one, click New Invoice. Start at the top with the customer name field. Choose an existing customer or add a new one if they aren't in your list yet. Make sure the customer profile is correct. Things like billing address and preferred currency help prevent issues later. Next, set the invoice date. This is the official issue date that drives due dates and reports, so choose the correct calendar date. If you work with backdated or future dated invoices, set it intentionally so your aging reports remain accurate. Now move to the item table. This is where you add the products or services you're billing for. Click into the first line and pick an item from your catalog, or type to search. If your items are already set up with default rates or taxes, many fields will autofill, saving time. If not, you can type them in manually. Once the item is selected, set the quantity. Use the unit that makes sense for your business, hours, pieces, or another unit you've configured. Double check this entry. Quantity mistakes are a common cause of invoice edits. Then enter the rate. If your rate pre-filled, confirm it's correct for this customer or job. If you offer tiered pricing or recently adjusted your prices, this is a good moment to verify. As you update quantity and rate, Zoho will calculate line totals for you. Take a quick look over the invoice, customer details, dates, items, quantities, and rates. If everything looks good but you're not ready to send it yet, click Save as Draft. Drafts are perfect for internal reviews or when you're waiting on a final confirmation. If you're fully ready, you can send it right away, but for now, let's save it as a draft and move on to managing invoices. Head back to your invoices list. At the top, you'll see a drop-down that typically defaults to all invoices. Click it to filter. Choose Unpaid to quickly see what still needs attention and follow-up, then switch to Paid to review what's already settled. Filters make it easy to stay on top of cash flow and prioritize outreach. On any invoice row, you'll see a small drop-down arrow with quick actions. Click that arrow to reveal options. Choose Download the PDF to save a copy of the invoice to your device, handy for sharing outside of Zoho or attaching to another system. Select Send Email to email the invoice directly from Zoho Invoice. Before sending, glance at your message and recipient details to keep communication clear and professional. If a customer pays outside your online methods, pick Record Payment to log the payment date, amount, and method so the invoice moves to paid and your reports stay accurate. If you need to remove an invoice, select the checkbox next to it, then click Delete. Use this carefully. Deleting is typically permanent and affects your records. If you're unsure, consider leaving it as a draft or voiding it instead of deleting, based on your internal policy. That's it. You've created a new invoice, saved it, and learned how to filter your list, download a PDF, send by email, record a payment, and delete when necessary. Follow these steps each time, and you'll keep your invoicing organized, accurate, and fast. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.